Hello, my dear viewers, my well-wishers, my students and my patrons. Tonight, I have appeared before you just to present you with a writing skill just before PSC, WBCS, Group C, West Bengal, School Service Commission. All these examinations are knocking at your door or on your threshold. Therefore, I have picked up or selected some topics, some formal letters which are very important. For example, I am telling you that it is very suggestive plastic content, that is the how to ban the use of plastics and why you should ban the use of plastics. Suppose you are writing a formal letter to the editor. Clear? What is the manner? How will you write this formal letter? First of all, you will have to write to the editor from the very beginning to the end. You will have to follow the video for your exams. To the editor, the Times of India, Kolkata. Okay, full stop. Kolkata. Now, subject. You must give a subject, that is banning the use of plastic container, bag, etc. Clear? This is the subject. Now, let us start writing. I will not waste my time by giving you a long lecture as introduction. Just I have entered the content. Sir, through the columns of your esteemed Delhi, I beg to draw the attention of the government to the harmful impacts, okay, harmful impacts of plastic container or bag on human life, comma, animals and aquatic creatures also, and aquatic creatures also. Clear? Full stop. This is the first sentence. Through the columns of your esteemed daily, I beg to draw the attention of the government to the harmful impacts of plastic container or bag on human life, animals and aquatic creatures also. Clear? First of all, first of all, the plastic, sorry, the plastic containers or bags have a carcinogenic impact as the food carried in them is easily contaminated. Full stop. First of all, the plastic containers or bags have a carcinogenic impact, that is cancerous impact. Carcinogenic impact, and the food carried in them is easily contaminated. Contaminated means polluted. Clear? Then the used bags make the places, especially the meeting places, dirty and polluted because they are non-biodegradable. Okay. What is non-biodegradable? Because they will not mix with the soil. Again I am repeating. Then the used bags make the places, especially the meeting places, dirty and polluted because they are non-biodegradable. Full stop. With the rainwater, they flow into the drains and make a blockage. Full stop. So with the rain water, they flow into drains and make a blockage. Clear? Now let me clean the board. Let me clean the board and write and complete the letter to the editor. Okay, just wait a bit. I am cleaning the board. The plastic bags plastic bags which are heaped up on the river bank cause soil erosion and flood situation during the rainy season. Okay. Above all, some cattle eat them as food and die of stomach. Some cattle eat them as food and die of stomach problem. The aquatic creatures, including fishes, including fishes, swallow them and indirectly they become the cause of many problems of human beings when they consume them. Full stop. The aquatic creatures, including fishes, swallow them, and indirectly they become the cause of many problems of human beings when they consume them. Clear? In fine, I request you to write a strong editorial so that the government may take some drastic steps to ban the use of plastics, and instead the cotton bags should be introduced to the markets. Okay, this is the last paragraph. In fine, I request you to write a strong editorial so that the government may take some drastic steps to ban the use of plastics, and instead the cotton bag should be introduced to the markets. Yours faithfully, your name please. You may write your address here. Dated Krishnagar, the 14th December 2025. Okay, this is the formal letter on the banning of the use of plastic bags. Thanking all of you, good night, and at 10:30 or 10:40 I am going to live stream to give you a passage from Bomkas just to translate into English, because examinations are knocking at the door. Thanking all of you, good night.